Hi Libra, good morning. Ang timestamp ng reading nyo ay 1:36 a.m. January 3, 2026 Libra, collective. So gagawin natin ang yung collective reading for January 2026. So it may tap into all aspects of your life. Ito ay isang free reading para sa collective. So meaning we will tap into collective energy. So pag nag-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. If it doesn't, I will tap into your energy next time, Libra. Okay? So, na-cleanse ko na yung table before we start the reading. Ngayon, isa-shuffle ko lang muna yung mga cards in front of the camera bago tayo magsimula. Okay, Libra? May you bring forth po spirit sa ating collective Libra, ang mga gabay. For January 2026, collective Libra. Okay, we will pull 5 cards, Libra, like we doing with Capricorn. Sinabi ko doon sa video ng Capricorn, 3 plus 3, tapos I pull 5. So, 5 cards tayo. Let's stick to it. Intuitively, yun ang kukunin natin. Okay. Are you ready, Libra? Okay. 5 cards para sa Libra, January 2026, 5 barahan. Ang gamit natin ay ang Oracle of the Mermaids by Lucy Cavendish. So, ito ay mga, as you can see, mga mermaids. Okay? Alright. First card, Libra, para sa'yo, meron kang freedom. Wow. Wow. Independence and self-determination, Libra. Very you, no? Ikaw na ikaw to, Libra. Okay? Kita mo siya. Yung mermaid na to ay may red mermaid siya, ha? Fiery. Tapos yung damit niya dito, parang crop top, may skull. Okay? Tapos nakaupo lang siya sa, I think, by the seaside, no? Okay, second card, Libra. Okay, wala tayong reversal dito. It's okay. Oracle to. Sanctuary, Libra. Very you again. So, privacy. Inviolate personal space. Respected boundaries and taboos. Nasa bathtub yung mermaid na to. Bathtub nga ba to? May mga, bathtub, tas may kandila, naliligo pa yung mermaid, Libra. But anyway, serious side, this is your sanctuary, Libra. Freedom and sanctuary. Ganda ng mga baraha, Libra. Now, the third card para sa'yo, wave of power. Ayan na. So, itong mermaid na to, na-splash ng tubig sa dagat. A surge of power. Upswing in energy. Exhilarating movement. Okay, nice, nice. General reading para sa'yo, Libra. Pang-apat na baraha. Tama yan siya. Ayan yung mermaid. Oh. Ang ganda ng oracle na to, guys. Sacrifice. So, very dark, no? Black ang kanyang nitong mermaid na to. Ayan yung buntot. Black or purple. Sabi dito, Libra, is that there are those worth making. There are those that will destroy you. Ayan siya. Okay, mermaid. Purple or black siya. Ayan, may scale. Yung arms niya. Ayan yung buntot niya. Palikpik niya. Okay? Last card for you, Libra. Meron kang Lemuria Returns. Lemuria is very earthly, diba? Meron tayong mythical na lugar na Lemuria before. It's an ancient civilization daw in the past. Okay? Earthly, spirituality, community, ocean, conservation. Okay? Choose whatever resonates. Tingnan natin, Libra. So, for January 2026 sa'yo, let's begin with freedom. Okay. Ang maganda dito for January 2026, bagong taon, bagong buwan. Okay, pahalagahan mo daw, Libra, yung kalayaan mo this time. If you're single, that's good. If you just get out of a relationship, that's good. Kung nag-divorce, o hiwalay sa asawa, it's good. I-enjoy yung freedom. Okay, there's nothing wrong with being single, actually. Okay? Wait lang, guys.
Bluetooth connection.
Nawala? Okay, wait lang. Alright, so, nag-fluctuate yung electricity, hindi natin alam kung bakit. Okay? Inom naman tubig. So, for that reason, for January, most of the time, you will be independent. And it could also be sa career mo to na yung trabahong ginagawa mo, actually, you will rely more sa skill set mo, sa sarili mo, okay? Okay, you will be more self-determined daw, okay? For January, it's a good start, no? Hindi pwedeng tamarin, hindi pwedeng umasa sa ibang tao for the month of January, Libra. Independence and self-determination ang energy dapat. Ngayon, Sanctuary. Libra, okay, you are a scale. So, when the scale is steep, no? Hindi balance na off balance ang Libra. Kailangan balance siya eh. Okay? Ngayon, sanctuary pertains to your sacred space, sa yung privacy, no? Kung gusto mo maghayo to sa social media, not everyone deserves to know kung anong nangyayari sa buhay mo, Libra. Okay? They don't deserve to know what's going on in your life, Libra. So, you have to value your privacy because privacy, tatandaan nyo, Libra, privacy is power. Okay? You don't let anyone, sinabi dito, wag mong hayaan yung mga ibang tao na i-violate ang personal space mo. It's also your sanctuary because that's where dyan ka nagre-retreat, dyan ka nagre-refuge, dyan ka nagpapalakas. Okay? If ang tingin mo sa bahay mo is your sanctuary, you don't need to invite random people sa bahay mo. Isang example yun. If sa office, you need to create boundaries about people, on people na toxic, and itong cubicle mo is sacred, then set boundaries. Diba? When you're at work, you're at work. Diba? Ganon. Okay? And then, sinabi rin dito na respected boundaries and taboos. Okay? Whatever you believe in, you need to create a barrier that this is what I believe in, this is what I stand for. Yun din yun sa mga paniniwala. Oh, we will never compromise who you are, what you believe in, for the sake na makagain tayo ng short-term appreciation sa ibang tao. No. Okay? Now, wave of power, interesting, Libra, para sa January, no, merong pagtaas o pagbugso ng power within you. Ito yung mga spiritual energy, ito yung mga desire, ito yung mga ideas, ito yung mga ambition, ito yung mga dreams, mga goals mo. Okay? And it's exhilarating, meaning exciting ang magiging movement nitong mga nararamdaman mong bugso, no? In a good way, surge of power mo, ng desire mo, ng interest, ideas, no, ng success, no. Yun ang maganda doon, Libra. Okay? Now, may kailangan tayong i-sacrifice, Libra. Para sa January, sinasabi dito, choose the people, choose the battles na i-confront natin. May mga challenges, may mga tao, may mga situation, events sa buhay natin na worth it ipaglaban, pagtuunan ng pansin, bigyan ng atensyon, ng effort, ng energy. Pero there are those na wawasakin ka, Libra. Okay, yun sinasabi dito. So, it's up to you, no? One false move, checkmate, it could make or break you, Libra. No? You could be the sacrificial lamb. And you should choose na i-end yung sacrifice na. You're not going to be a sacrificial lamb. Ganun yung Libra. So, there are those worth making, meaning the battles, the people, the fight. Okay? And there are those that will destroy you. So, iiwasan mo yan, Libra. Okay? Because they will bring you harm. No? So, wag mo na silang tapatan. Okay? Or even, these people are bad. This situation is not good for you. So, walk out, Libra. Okay? Now, sa last mo, Lemuria returns. Earthly, spirituality, grounding to, guys. Kasi nakita mo siya, Empress card, buntis. Buntis siya, nasa parang shell siya dyan, no? Buntis siya is nurturing, it's Mother Earth, basically community, no? So, ang maganda naman dito, inaano ka na rin, na despite kunwari spiritual kang tao, you do a lot of ritual or divination, so stay grounded there. So, you need to connect din sa people around you, no? You meditate, but at the same time, balance, eh. You need to communal, meaning you connect with your community. Sa bahay, sa barangay, sa mga kapitbahay, sa trabaho, no? You connect with them. And it's very grounding. It will help you to ground yourself, no? Para hindi tayo nakalimutan din para hindi tayo grounded tayo. Ibig sabihin, aware tayo sa nangyayari sa paligid natin, Libra. Okay? It also means save ocean. Ocean conservation also means baka in daily things that protect nature, protect the water. Okay? Kasi may ocean conservation din dyan. And water, if parang you drink a lot of water, isang reminder din yan sa'yo. So, you feel connected with nature. We are made up of water, so you drink a lot of water. May spiritual meaning yun. So, I hope it makes sense, Libra, no? So, freedom, sanctuary, your privacy, wave of power. So, you will be more inspired, more proactive for the month of January. Maganda yan. And, be careful lang, no? To be the sacrificial lamb, or if you're not willing to be a sacrificial lamb, stay out of this toxic people and situation. They're not worth your time. And yung grounding mo, Lemuria. Lemuria is very earthly. Take care of Mother Earth, take care of the water, the ocean, communal, no? Ground, stay grounded, no? Para aware ka sa surroundings mo rin, no? Okay, balance yung spiritual and earthly, work mo. Okay, Libra, so sana nag-resonate kayo dito, collective Libra. And if it doesn't resonate with you, I will tap into your energy next time. Take care, God bless, Libra. And I'll see you in your next month reading. Bye!